WhatsApp just introduced new feature that allow you to add your username into your WhatsApp account. And in this video, I will show you how to simply create a username for your WhatsApp account. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app. And the next thing you want to do right here is to click on this three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on account. Then here you go. You have your username right here. Go ahead and click on the username right here. The next thing you want to do right here is going to take you right here. Now create a username. Username are coming soon, reserving yours today. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on create username. Then here you go. Enter your unique username right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply hit on save right here. And you are done. You have reserved this as your username in your WhatsApp account. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on done right here. Just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.